Hello, my friends. This is Miss Sandine, and today we're going to be talking about scissors because I will be cutting with pre-K very soon. So I'm going to show you what scissors do. So scissors are for cutting, right? So scissors, you have to be careful with scissors. Your arm is not up, your arm is down, your armpit is down, and you hold your scissor. The small hole is for your thumb. So wave your thumb. And the bigger hole is for the fingers. Now it depends how many fingers you fit. I don't fit a lot of fingers in this hole, but maybe you fit 3 fingers or 4 fingers. So we put our scissors in. I'm going to show you. See, my thumb, and my fingers go in the big hole. You see that? Okay. So we're not going to cut yet. You're going to show me how you hold your scissor. You're holding your scissor, and your scissor can open and close, open and close, open and close, because the scissors for cutting. Now you have to be careful with scissors. When you're done with scissors, you hold the point facing down for safety. When you're not using the scissor is down on the table. Yep, down on the table. So you're safe, I'm safe. All right. Now, for your homes, if you are at home, my friends, parents, you can have your pre-K or toddler learn to cut. I had a daughter that cut when she was 2 years old, but then again, we were cutting earlier. So you can draw stripes on a paper, draw a wavy line, draw shapes. Just an example. Or get a construction paper and draw lines, and then have your line stop in before the end of the construction paper. Okay. If your student or child is a little more advanced, you can have pieces of a calendar, like this is a car, a calendar, and you can show them how to cut on the lines. Okay. So let's start from the basics. Let's just say you have a piece of paper, construction paper, or regular white paper at home. Draw some stripes for your child, and you're going to teach them how to cut. Remember, you hold your scissor. You see how my hand is? My armpit is down. My hand is like this. It's not like this. It's down. And my thumb is up. And my other fingers are on the bottom. I'm going to put myself sideways so you see what I'm doing. So this is my paper. You see, I'm going to be cutting on the lines. Let's see if I can do this like this. Okay, let me move. All right. So you see, I'm going to go open and close. Open, push, chomp. Open, push, chomp. Open, push, chomp. You hear the sound? Open, push, chomp. Open, push, chomp. Boom. I cut a piece. Again. Open, push, chomp. 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 Stop. And you can keep going, my friends, at home. Okay? So now, I'm going to show you the other paper. Oops, I have to put my scissor down. All right, so this one has different lines, wavy lines, straight, wavy, and some shapes. So let's see the wavy line. I'm going to put myself sideways so you can see. So I hold my paper with my other hand. See, this hand works holding the paper. And then the other hand holds the scissor. Okay? So I go open, push, chomp. Open, push, chomp. And I go around and around. Even if you're in kindergarten, my friends, you can practice cutting at home, even if you're first grade. See? You can cut this out. Boom, I have my piece out. If it's a shape, you hold the paper with the other hand. And if you need help, you can ask a grown-up to help hold the paper. And you're going to cut in, and you're turning your paper. See, my hand is turning the paper. You can have a grown-up hold your paper and turn the paper, but you open, push, and chomp. Open, push, chomp. Open, push, chomp. Chomp is like an alligator. All right, and you're going to keep cutting on the line. If you make a mistake, no big deal, no drama. All right, example. Now, if you're an advanced cutter, you're older. Yeah, you've been in school or at least a year or two. You can grab, with parents' permission, like let's say a calendar, like a page of an old calendar. Someone's going to throw it away. It's a nice card. So what you're going to do is I'm going to show you with my finger, my scissors down on the table for safety. So you're going to cut on the lines. On the lines. You can do it. It just takes a little longer. So for example, I hold my paper with one hand, and with the other hand, I'm going to move like this so you can see me. I'm going to go inside the picture. I just want the car. I don't want the floor. So I'm going to cut around, cut around. If this little piece is hard, that little wing, it's okay. You can just cut over because not all cars have that. Cut around, cut on the lines, cut on the lines. You see that? I'm going to put the scissor down for safety. I'm going to show you, see? I already cut that side of the car. Hey, and you can use this card for a collage, for example, okay? All right, my friends, so a couple of safety tips again. After you use your scissors down on the table. Your scissors only for cutting. If you're giving it to someone at home, you hold it with the point, you give it to someone if they give you permission. If you're ready to cut, you hold the scissor, you put your thumb in the little hole and the other fingers in the other hole. How you cut? Your arm is not up, your arm is down. Your armpit is down. And you open and close. Open and close. All right? Hefty safety scissor. Happy cutting.